Hello, everyone. Let's look at this follow me exercise to find the derivative by definition. I have selected this function, which is a root function, square root of 1 minus 2x. And let's get started. So please follow me, get a piece of paper, pencil, and do it along my side. And feel free to rewind or forward if you already know how to do certain steps. So let's begin. So first of all, we got f of x. So when we get f of a, x will be replaced by a. Whoops, right? And f of a plus h. A plus h. So x will be replaced by a plus h. We need that parentheses. If you want to, expand it or write it in another way, minus 2a minus 2h, you can write it this way, no problem. You can use either one because they are equal. And next, we're going to compose the ratio. The ratio that doesn't have I'm going to take this one. Of course, I can take the other one, right? Subtracting f of a, right? So we apply the formula. When I apply the formula, I want it to be very explicit. So because I knew I'm going to come back to check my work. So now I will be thinking, if I take limit as h approaching 0, can I directly substitute? The answer is no, because you're going to have to produce a 0 denominator. So we're going to have to do something about it, right? We have to do something about it. Of course, in this case, you guessed it. We're going to multiply the conjugate of the numerator. The conjugate of the numerator that we have two roots. We just have to change the subtraction to addition, and we multiply by 1 so that we can use that formula a minus b times a plus b equals to a squared. In your work, you don't have to show this formula to your reader because, most people, I believe everybody knows it, okay? I put it here just in case anybody asking why you do that. So we got our a here, b, right? So it's a minus b, a plus b, right? So that's the perfect situation that we can apply the formula, okay? So the numerator times the numerator, so we're gonna get a squared minus b squared. So this is a minus b, right? So a squared minus b squared. Denominator, so it's h multiply the whole of this sum. So we need a parentheses. Okay, we need a parentheses. Don't try to expand the bottom. Okay. And what do we get on the top? Top, we have two forms, right? In the form of root x squared. The square is outside, right? So that is equal to x. So we're going to apply that twice. So the first one, right? So this piece, we just have the inside left. And the next one is just 1 minus a, right? Root of something squared, right? So replace it. Be careful. If I don't, you see, I put a 1 minus a here, but in front of the negative, there's a subtraction. Subtracting the whole of it. So here we need to insert a parentheses. If you don't insert this parentheses, you should have minus 1 plus 2a. Okay, which is our next step. Okay, minus 1 plus 2a. I usually want to keep this step as however simple it is, so that when I go back, I can check my work. Okay, so now let's reduce this numerator. Just keep the denominator. So plus 2a minus 2a minus 1 plus 1 gone. So these two h. Oh wait, I should put it here. Okay, I should do it here. Okay, so 1 minus 1, right? 1 minus 1, 2a minus 2a, right? H and H reduced. So this H is reduced, this other H is reduced, and this parentheses is no longer needed. And now we can take a limit. So we're going to take a limit. Okay, I'm going to take a limit. All right. So this piece, of course, is f of a plus h. That's what we have. That's what we have, right? And that piece equals the whole of that. Therefore, we're going to have the limit of the whole piece. All right, direct substitution, replacing h by 0. Right? So what do we got? We got, so this piece is, we have 2, right? We have 2 times in the denominator, 2 times that square root. And the negative 2 and positive 2 will reduce. We get negative 1 over root of 1 minus 2a. So that's the derivative at a by the formula we just used. Okay, and of course you can use the other formula. All right. All right, thank you for watching.